Hi, it's postcard time. Today I thought we'd do one of the largest states in the United States and the smallest one. The second largest state in the United States is Texas. There's another one. Look at almost the same picture on there, the state of Texas. And here's another one that shows Texas had a lot of cowboys, cattle. That's how they got started. And on the back of this card from Adam's grandpa tells us that the name of we can see it on Lena's card here too. The nickname is called the Lone Star State. The capital of Texas is Austin. Its biggest city, though, not its capital, but the biggest one is Houston, and it is the 28th state of the United States. So that's interesting. It does say on this card that it was part of Mexico, and then it became its own little independent state. And finally, in 1845, it became the 28th state of the United States. So cool facts about Texas. And it still has cattle there. It has some big cities, Austin, Dallas, Houston, San Antonio is a real historical state. It borders right here the Rio Grande River, and it borders the country of Mexico. It also has a coast over here on the Gulf of Mexico coast. So our second largest state is Texas. It's easy to find. It's a southern state, and it's so big you can find it really easy. It's down here. It is second to Alaska. Alaska, when it's up on the map where it really goes, is the largest state in the United States. But when you just have 48 of them together, Texas is the largest of the contiguous 48 states. But when you put all all of 50 of them together, it goes Alaska, largest, second largest Texas, third largest is California. So now let's try to find the smallest state. I'll give you a coast. It's an eastern state. It was one of the 13 colonies that started the United States. And so I'm looking way over here on the eastern coast now for the smallest little state. It's one of the 13 here, so that's, it's here. And look I'll hold up the postcard. Can you read the name of it? Rhode Island. And so you're looking way over here. Rhode Island, they had to write the name off to the side and draw a line to it. It's that teeny tiny state right there. Color it in, and when you tally it, it gives us our 33rd state. How about that? And we still have some postcards to go.